Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and clear storage on MacBook. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your system settings. If you don't have it down here, you can simply press Command plus Spacebar and search for system settings and click on open. Now, once you've done that, you're going to be on this page right over here on general. Simply go ahead and click on storage. And this is where it's going to show you whatever is taking all the storage. So as you can see, my documents is taking 18.92. My mail is taking this much and so on. So if I don't want anything, I can simply go ahead and just go ahead and do that and free up the space just like that. Or I can also go to documents, press on this I, and then check what is taking the most amount of data. So if these are taking the most amount of data, I can simply go ahead and click on delete and click on delete one more time. There you go. It's going to clear the storage. I hope this video, if it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.